Xiaomi's Redmi A series has long been a favorite in the area of budget smartphones, and the anticipation for the upcoming Redmi A3 is building up, especially with leaked photos obtained by GSM Arena. According to these leaks, the Redmi A3 is set to redefine affordability with its expansive 6.71-inch display, a step up from its predecessors, the A1 and A2, which featured 6.52-inch displays. But the enhancements don't end with just a larger screen. The Redmi A3 is breaking new ground by introducing a 90 Hz refresh rate, a first for the series. This is particularly impressive considering the Redmi A series is known for its pocket-friendly price tag, often below $150. For example, the base version of the Redmi A2 launched at just $80 in India. As for the specifications, the Redmi A3 will come in different configurations to suit various needs. While the exact details are yet to be confirmed officially, there are hints of a model with 128 GB storage and 4 GB of RAM, potentially making it the highest configured version in the lineup. Xiaomi is also shaking things up with the design of the Redmi A3. Unlike its predecessors with subtle designs, the A3 boasts an impressive camera bump reminiscent of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. However, appearances can be deceiving. The camera housed inside might not match the Ultra's capabilities. Previous models in the series had basic 8-megapixel cameras with depth sensors, and while an upgrade is possible, it's uncertain due to budget constraints posed by the impressive display and ample storage options. As for the release date, there's little information available, but signs point to an imminent launch. Retail packages seem to be ready, hinting at an exciting addition to Xiaomi's lineup of affordable smartphones. The Redmi A3 promises to offer a compelling combination of a larger display, high refresh rate, and storage options that challenge the conventional boundaries of budget-friendly smartphones. Keep an eye out for more updates by subscribing to our channel as Xiaomi gears up to unleash its latest budget offering into the market. So what do you guys think of this smartphone? Do you think Xiaomi makes budget-friendly devices better than other companies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.